Get your seat angle just right. However you want to do it. What the fuck? It's smoke out of my face. Look.
We're talking about the serrations right here on the angle seats right there, so you can get the seat angle any which way you want. This is, oh, by the way, excuse me, this is a seat installation and seat post installation on a Specialized hard rock. Yeah, this is the actually this part 2 of the broken seat post. This is the upgrade right here.
26.4 millimeter in diameter. And we're going with the shorty because I don't have the seat very far out of the hole.
Yeah, we got short legs here.
I got a big frame.
Yeah.
Big frame.
So anyway, so this is a Specialized hard rock. This is my anonymous friend here. She's going to remain anonymous. Right, screwing it in. He's getting it set where he wants it. He likes it real low. So the problem was in the last one was that the nut and the bolt they gave us wasn't the right one. Right, so it pulled through and it broke and it did a bunch of other crazy dumb stuff.
Yeah, but dude in there was saying that that's a common problem. When you have the steel clamp on the bottom, it ends up bending. And he said it didn't come loose. The bottom of it bent.
And that's what happened. So it bent and it just wouldn't stay tight.
Right. He said no matter how tight you get it, it won't stay tight because the clamp's bent. Now this one's got those serrations.
Yeah. To
prevent it from twisting as bad. And it's got these nice flute marks to look cool, you know. So.
This was a $10 seat, a $5 post, down here at the Bike Savers.
That's about where I want it.
So you just finished tightening it up?
Now I can't get the tool in. Can't get the tool in there, so I gotta pull it all the way out. And show them the cruddy hole there.
That's pretty cruddy. You can't see it, but it is. Ooh, it's sticky too. Got some road juice in there or something.
And I usually start the clamp at about the center of the seat rail. And then I adjust forward and back after I ride it a little bit. And this is one of these WTB Comfort Gel Zones. I had the same seat in black. It's actually the Pure V. But I picked this one because it's got the rails and the spots right here in the same width apart to support the sit bones as the other seat I had.
The sit bones. Talk about your butt. This is, you know, technical stuff here. Using the pound tool. Pretty tight.
Strong Japan.
Now here's.
I wish I had a little bit of grease to put on the seat post, but we don't. So.
Got some chicken grease.
There's plenty on the rim there. And now I have a nice seat for people to try to steal.
He likes it low.
And I like it low. This is about the length of my legs.
Yep.
It's not about preference, it's about mechanics. Biomechanics over preference. Have it that tight, keep your seat flying around in circles doing helicopter motions. Alright, let's give her a test ride.
Test right here. I'll hold that.
Turn it off. We need to test ride out of here.